Hello everyone, so this is our lesson for today about conversion of fraction, decimal, and percent, okay? And our objective is to convert fraction to decimal. We have an example number 1. We have 1/2 or 1/2. 1/2 is fraction. Okay, the first step is to divide 1 divided by 2. So 1 divided by 2 using the calculator, it is equal to 0.5. 0.5 now is what we call the decimal. And now we're going to convert fraction to decimal without calculator. Okay, so this is the step. 1/2, then it is equal to, or we're going to divide 1 divided by 2. Okay, since hindi natin siya pwedeng i-divide kasi mas mataas ang divisor kaysa sa dividend, so let's have 0. 1 divided by 2 is 0. Okay, then maglalagay tayo ng point after 1 and then doon din sa taas. Dapat nakatapat yung point sa may dividend at saka sa quotient. And then we add 0 sa dividend and 10 divided by 2 equals 5. And then 5 times 2, it is equal to 10. Okay, then 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Then now our quotient is 0.5, that is what we call the decimal. Okay, again, 1/2 is equivalent to 0.5 in decimal. Okay, let's have another example on how to convert fraction to decimal. We have number 1, 1/4. Okay, so 1/4 convert to decimal. We're going to divide 1 divided by 4 and it is equal to 0.25. So 1/4 is equal to 0.25. Next, number 2, 3/4. Divide 3 divided by 4 and the answer is 0.75. Number 3, 1/5 and then 1 divided by 5 equals 0.2. Okay, so that is how to convert fraction to decimal.